Every lipstick begins long before color touches the lips.
Every lipstick begins long before color touches the lips. Every ingredient is identified before production can begin. Purity is verified before every batch enters the factory. Controlled storage preserves the quality of every cosmetic ingredient. Perfect proportions create perfect consistency. Solid wax becomes the foundation of every lipstick. Color begins with perfectly blended pigments. Conditioning oils give lipstick its smooth application. Now the factory is ready to transform ingredients into lipstick. The journey from raw ingredients to flawless lipstick has officially begun. Heat transforms solid wax into a perfectly flowing foundation. Conditioning oils are blended with precision for a silky texture. Every shade is built through carefully measured color science. Vacuum mixing creates the flawless texture consumers expect. Even the smallest impurities are removed before molding. Stable temperature ensures perfect consistency throughout production.
Every batch is verified before reaching the molding line.
Continuous circulation keeps every ingredient perfectly blended. The first lipstick forms take shape with remarkable precision. Gradual cooling prevents cracks and preserves a flawless finish. Precision machinery releases every lipstick without damaging its shape.
Every lipstick is inspected before moving to the next stage.
A delicate flame perfects the surface within seconds. Final cooling locks in the lipstick's polished appearance. Elegant packaging begins long before the product is assembled. Automation protects every lipstick from contamination and damage. Each mechanism is tested to ensure flawless everyday use. The lipstick is complete in form, but its final identity is yet to be created.
Every lipstick receives its unique identity before reaching consumers.
Precision printing transforms functional packaging into luxury cosmetics. Instant curing locks every detail into a lasting finish. Automation ensures every cap fits with perfect precision. A flawless exterior reflects the quality inside.
Automated vision confirms perfection from every perspective.
Only products meeting strict standards continue the journey.
Complete traceability follows every lipstick from factory to customer.
Precision handling preserves every flawless finish. Now the finished lipsticks enter the final stage before quality approval.
Luxury presentation begins with precision packaging. Every package is assembled with speed and accuracy. Every customer receives complete product information. Secure sealing protects the product until its first use. Security features guarantee product integrity. Protective wrapping preserves every package during transport. Heat creates a clean and durable protective finish. Weight verification confirms complete and accurate packaging. Finished products are organized for safe global distribution. The production line is complete, but every shipment must first pass its final quality checks. Before shipment, every production batch faces its final examination. Appearance reflects the precision of every manufacturing step. Scientific color analysis ensures every shade remains identical. Balanced firmness creates a smooth and reliable application. Stability testing prepares every lipstick for real-world conditions. Reliable mechanics are just as important as flawless cosmetics. Every package must protect the product until it reaches the customer. Only approved batches continue beyond this point. Quality approval opens the path to worldwide distribution. Now every approved shipment is ready to begin its journey. Every shipment is secured for a safe journey across the world. Digital tracking ensures complete traceability from factory to retailer. Modern warehouses manage thousands of products with remarkable precision. Every shipment is selected according to customer demand. Careful loading protects every product during transportation. Final scan complete. Shipment verified for dispatch. Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory.
From raw materials to finished cosmetics, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce lipstick from start to finish. Precision, science, and automation combine to create millions of flawless lipsticks every year.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns from inside the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities.